On our planet, every corner of nature holds secrets, some beautiful, some deadly. From the deepest oceans to the hottest deserts, there exist creatures armed with lethal toxins, survival strategies honed over millions of years. These are the deadliest animals on Earth, and today, we are counting down the top 10 most poisonous animals in the world. Welcome to Epic Animal World. If you love exploring the incredible mysteries of wildlife, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you'll never miss a journey into nature's most extreme marvels. The animals we feature today are not only terrifying, they are fascinating. Each has evolved unique adaptations to survive, hunt, and defend itself. Some are venomous predators, while others carry toxins as defense mechanisms. In this countdown, we'll explore their habitats, anatomy, venom chemistry, hunting strategies, and surprising medical applications. Remember, poison is not evil. It is nature's tool for survival. While it can kill, it also inspires medicine, research, and innovation. Are you ready to enter the dark yet mesmerizing world of lethal animals? Let's begin with number 10, a small but terrifying desert predator. Number 10. Deathstalker scorpion. In the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East, a silent predator prowls under the moonlight. The deathstalker scorpion, with its small yellowish body, is one of the most venomous scorpions on Earth. Its size might be modest, usually about 2.5 to 3 inches, but its power is immense. Hiding beneath rocks, sand, or dead leaves, this predator waits patiently, using its venom as both a defense and hunting tool. The deathstalker's anatomy is built for survival in harsh desert climates. Its pale yellow exoskeleton provides perfect camouflage against sandy terrain. The tail, curved over its back, ends in a venomous stinger capable of delivering neurotoxins with pinpoint accuracy. Each leg is equipped with sensory hairs, allowing the scorpion to detect vibrations from prey or predators several feet away. Unlike many scorpions, the deathstalker is nocturnal, avoiding the extreme heat of the desert day. Its small eyes detect movement under moonlight, helping it locate insects, spiders, and even small lizards. What makes the deathstalker truly infamous is its venom. Composed of over 30 different neurotoxins, it attacks the nervous system, causing intense pain, convulsions, paralysis, and, in some cases, death. Children, the elderly, or those with weakened immune systems are at the highest risk. Despite its lethal properties, scientists have discovered medical potential in the venom. Research shows components of deathstalker venom may aid in treating brain tumors and diabetes, proving that even nature's deadliest creatures can inspire life-saving science. The deathstalker is a patient predator. It does not actively chase prey. Instead, it relies on stealth and precision. Small insects wandering too close become immediate targets, immobilized instantly by the venomous sting. Its pincers, while not particularly large, are strong enough to grab and hold prey during envenomation. Defense is another aspect of its survival strategy. While its venom is deadly, the deathstalker avoids humans whenever possible. It strikes only when provoked, disturbed, or accidentally stepped on. Over centuries, desert travelers have feared the deathstalker. Folklore exaggerates its danger, portraying it as a monster capable of killing with a glance. In reality, fatalities are rare if proper medical care is available. Most stings result in pain, swelling, and mild systemic symptoms, with fatalities mainly among vulnerable individuals without access to treatment. Scientists continue to study its venom, fascinated by its complexity. Components of Deathstalker venom have inspired research into painkillers, anti-cancer therapies, and neurological studies. For humans living in Deathstalker habitats, awareness is key. Wearing shoes while walking in the desert, checking bedding, and using flashlights at night are simple measures to prevent stings. Despite its deadly reputation, humans and Deathstalkers rarely come into conflict when proper precautions are taken. The Deathstalker scorpion is more than a creature of fear. It is a testament to evolution's power, survival's art, and the delicate balance of nature. Tiny, patient, and lethal, it represents the harsh beauty of the desert ecosystem. And this is only number 10. As we continue our countdown, you will encounter creatures that are even smaller, more beautiful, yet exponentially more dangerous, hiding lethal secrets in plain sight. Number 9. Blue-ringed octopus. In the warm, shallow coastal waters stretching from Australia to Japan, one of the deadliest yet most fascinating marine creatures lurks quietly among rocks, coral reefs, and tide pools. The blue-ringed octopus is tiny, measuring only 5 to 8 inches, but its reputation is enormous. Its smooth, delicate body is adorned with brilliant iridescent blue rings that glow when the animal feels threatened, a natural warning that should never be ignored. To the untrained eye, it may appear harmless, even charming, but hidden beneath this small frame lies one of the most potent neurotoxins known to humanity, tetrodotoxin. Tetrodotoxin is an exceptionally powerful chemical that blocks sodium channels in nerve cells, preventing the transmission of electrical signals. This action paralyzes the victim almost instantly. Even a few milligrams of this venom can cause total paralysis and death within minutes, primarily by shutting down the respiratory system. Despite its lethality, the blue-ringed octopus is not aggressive by nature. It only releases venom defensively or when hunting its prey. The octopus's diet mainly consists of small crabs, shrimp, and tiny fish, which it incapacitates using its venom before consuming them carefully. Its hunting strategy is precise and patient. It waits for the perfect moment, often blending seamlessly into its environment before striking with surgical accuracy. The octopus's anatomy is a marvel of evolution. It has a soft, malleable body that allows it to squeeze through narrow crevices in rocks and coral. Its 8 arms are lined with tiny suckers, which it uses to grasp prey and explore its surroundings. Unlike many marine animals, the blue-ringed octopus exhibits remarkable intelligence. Studies have shown that it can solve puzzles, escape enclosures, and remember past experiences. This combination of cognitive ability and deadly venom makes it a fascinating subject for both marine biologists and toxin researchers. The blue-ringed octopus's bright blue rings serve a dual purpose. Not only do they warn potential predators of the octopus's deadly potential, but they also function as an alert to humans and other creatures. When the octopus feels threatened, these rings flash vividly, a clear signal that it should not be disturbed. Despite its lethal capabilities, the octopus is extremely shy and prefers to hide rather than attack. Most fatalities occur when humans accidentally handle or step on the creature, unaware of the danger it poses. From a medical perspective, the venom of the blue-ringed octopus has inspired scientific interest worldwide. Researchers are studying its tetrodotoxin for potential applications in pain management, nerve research, and even cardiovascular studies. While its natural role is to immobilize prey and deter predators, in human hands, this venom holds the potential to advance modern medicine significantly. This paradox of nature, where a deadly chemical can also save lives, is a recurring theme in the study of poisonous animals. The blue-ringed octopus also teaches us valuable lessons about adaptation and survival. Despite its small size, it has evolved an incredibly effective defense mechanism against predators in a highly competitive marine environment. Its camouflage abilities allow it to blend into sand, rocks, and coral, and it can even change the texture of its skin to match its surroundings. These adaptations, combined with its venom, ensure the octopus survives despite the presence of larger predators. Human interaction with the blue-ringed octopus requires extreme caution. Divers, snorkelers, and beachgoers in its habitat must be vigilant. Protective footwear, awareness of tide pools, and respecting marine life boundaries are essential steps to prevent accidental bites. Public awareness campaigns in Australia and Japan emphasize the importance of observing this creature without direct contact, turning the octopus's deadly traits into an educational opportunity for safety and appreciation of marine biodiversity. In folklore and popular media, the blue-ringed octopus is often depicted as a tiny but terrifying monster of the sea. While these portrayals exaggerate its aggression, they do capture the respect it commands. The reality is that it is a shy, reclusive creature whose deadliness is a last resort rather than a daily threat. Its brilliance, both in the glowing rings and in its evolutionary design, embodies the delicate balance between beauty and danger in nature. Observing a blue-ringed octopus in its natural habitat is a rare privilege. Each encounter offers a glimpse into a miniature world of survival, adaptation, and precision. Its arms, moving in perfect coordination, manipulate shells, rocks, and prey, while its keen intelligence evaluates every movement in the surrounding environment. The flashing blue rings are not only a warning but a statement of evolutionary perfection, small yet equipped with a weapon no predator dares to challenge. In conclusion, the blue-ringed octopus stands as a testament to nature's creativity and power. Tiny, intelligent, and deceptively beautiful, it reminds us that danger can exist in the smallest of packages. Its venom, while lethal, has potential applications that could benefit humanity, highlighting the complex relationship between life and death in the natural world. Observing, respecting, and understanding this creature ensures both our safety and a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life beneath the ocean's surface. The blue-ringed octopus may be one of the tiniest predators, but it is undeniably one of the most formidable and fascinating members of the animal kingdom. Number 8. Box jellyfish. In the warm, clear waters of northern Australia and the Indo-Pacific region, a ghostly predator drifts silently, almost invisible to the human eye. The box jellyfish, often referred to as the most venomous jellyfish on the planet, is a perfect blend of beauty and danger. Its transparent, cube-shaped bell floats gracefully in the currents, making it nearly impossible to detect. But hidden within its delicate tentacles is a venomous arsenal capable of causing excruciating pain, cardiac arrest, and even death in just a few minutes. Despite its ethereal appearance, the box jellyfish is an efficient predator. Its primary diet includes small fish and shrimp, which it captures by trailing its tentacles over the ocean floor. Each tentacle is lined with millions of nematocysts, microscopic, harpoon-like cells that inject venom upon contact. When a prey touches the tentacle, these nematocysts fire almost instantly, delivering a precise dose of venom that immobilizes the target immediately. The venom of the box jellyfish is a complex mixture of toxins that attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells simultaneously. One sting can cause intense pain, nausea, difficulty breathing, heart failure, and in severe cases, death. The speed at which the venom acts is terrifying. There have been recorded instances where victims lost consciousness and stopped breathing within minutes. It is a perfect example of evolution's efficiency, a creature designed to capture prey and defend itself with lethal precision. Box jellyfish are equipped with specialized structures called rhopalia, which contain clusters of sensory organs including eyes. These eyes, although simple compared to human vision, can detect light, motion, and shapes, allowing the jellyfish to navigate through mangrove channels and avoid obstacles while hunting. Remarkably, it has 24 eyes of 4 different types, including lenses that can form images, an unusual and advanced feature for a creature with no brain. Despite their danger, box jellyfish are not aggressive toward humans. Most stings occur when swimmers or divers accidentally come into contact with the tentacles, often in shallow waters where the jellyfish float near the surface. Local authorities in Australia have developed warning systems and preventive measures, such as protective nets in swimming areas, to reduce encounters with these deadly creatures. Protective clothing like full-body stinger suits is also recommended for anyone entering waters known to be inhabited by box jellyfish. The box jellyfish's life cycle adds another layer of complexity. It begins as a sessile polyp attached to a surface, eventually transforming into a free-swimming medusa, the familiar bell-shaped form. This transformation allows the jellyfish to disperse over wide areas and colonize new environments. Each stage of life is a marvel of adaptation, ensuring survival in highly competitive marine ecosystems. In addition to its lethal capabilities, the box jellyfish has fascinated scientists for decades. Its venom is under study for potential medical applications, including the development of drugs to treat heart conditions, neurological disorders, and even chronic pain. Understanding how its toxins interact with nerve and muscle cells has opened new avenues in biomedical research. This deadly creature, therefore, contributes to both fear and scientific progress, highlighting the duality of nature. Cultural stories and local legends often exaggerate the box jellyfish's danger, portraying it as a ghostly killer haunting the coastal waters. While caution is necessary, fatalities are rare when proper medical care is available. Antivenoms have been developed, and rapid first aid, including vinegar application to neutralize undischarged nematocysts, significantly increases survival rates. The box jellyfish's notoriety teaches humans respect for marine life and emphasizes the importance of awareness and caution in natural habitats. The box jellyfish is a master of deception. Its almost invisible body, delicate movements, and deadly venom create a predator perfectly adapted to the ocean environment. Every tentacle is a weapon, every movement a calculated step in survival and predation. Observing this creature in its natural habitat, even from a safe distance, evokes awe and respect, reminding us of the ocean's mysteries and dangers. In conclusion, the box jellyfish embodies the extreme of nature's duality. It is both mesmerizingly beautiful and lethally dangerous. Its combination of stealth, venom potency, and sensory sophistication makes it one of the most remarkable and feared creatures in the ocean. By studying it, humans gain insights into evolutionary innovation, venom chemistry, and even potential medical breakthroughs. Respect, caution, and curiosity are essential when encountering this ghost of the sea, a true marvel of life's adaptability and precision. Number 7. Inland taipan. In the remote, arid regions of Central Australia, one of the deadliest serpents on the planet slithers silently across the outback. Known as the inland taipan, or fierce snake, this reptile is regarded as the most venomous snake in the world. Despite its fearsome reputation, it is a highly reclusive species, rarely encountered by humans, preferring to stay hidden among the cracks of dry riverbeds, spinifex grass, and rocky outcrops. Its elusive nature makes it a master of camouflage, blending perfectly into the harsh, ochre-colored landscape of the Australian interior. The inland taipan's anatomy is perfectly adapted for survival in its extreme environment. It typically measures between 5 and 8 feet in length, with smooth, olive-brown scales that can vary in shade, helping it merge seamlessly with the desert soil and rock formations. Its slender, muscular body allows it to strike with incredible speed and precision, while its head houses highly specialized venom glands capable of producing a remarkably potent cocktail of toxins. These adaptations ensure both the snake's effectiveness as a predator and its protection against potential threats. The inland taipan's venom is a complex blend of neurotoxins, myotoxins, and procoagulants. This lethal combination targets the nervous system, muscle tissue, and the victim's blood simultaneously. One bite delivers enough venom to kill over 100 adult humans, although fatalities are extremely rare due to the snake's reclusive behavior. The neurotoxins act swiftly to block nerve signals, causing paralysis, while myotoxins damage muscles, and procoagulants trigger blood clotting complications. Within an hour, a bite victim may experience severe pain, internal bleeding, and respiratory failure if not treated promptly. Despite its extraordinary lethality, the inland taipan is not aggressive. It will attempt to flee at the first sign of danger. Only when cornered or provoked does it raise its head and display a defensive posture, coiling its body and rattling its tail in warning. This measured approach to threats demonstrates the snake's evolutionary balance between self-preservation and lethal capability. It hunts primarily small mammals, especially rodents, which are abundant in the arid Australian interior. Using its venom, it immobilized prey almost instantly, ensuring minimal struggle and energy expenditure. The inland taipan's hunting strategy is as sophisticated as its venom. It typically strikes multiple times in rapid succession, ensuring the venom is delivered efficiently. Unlike some other snakes, it rarely follows its prey after striking, relying on the venom's potency to incapacitate the target. This combination of efficiency and precision exemplifies nature's design for survival in harsh, resource-scarce environments. The snake's venom has also been the focus of extensive scientific research. Components of inland taipan venom are being studied for potential medical applications, including blood clotting disorders, pain management, and neurological conditions. This illustrates a fascinating paradox. One of nature's deadliest animals may hold the key to advancing human health and medicine. Human encounters with the inland taipan are rare but require extreme caution. Locals and researchers are trained to recognize its appearance and behavior, and first aid protocols are established for bite incidents. Antivenom is available and highly effective if administered promptly. Fatalities are largely preventable with awareness, emphasizing the importance of respecting wildlife and understanding the natural behavior of such formidable predators. In Aboriginal culture, snakes like the inland taipan hold symbolic significance. While specific legends about this particular species are less documented due to its elusive nature, snakes generally represent both danger and the essence of survival in traditional stories. These narratives highlight the dual respect and fear humans have held for venomous serpents throughout history. The inland taipan embodies the extreme of evolutionary specialization. Its lethal venom, reclusive behavior, precise hunting skills, and perfect camouflage make it a quintessential example of nature's ability to balance danger and survival. Observing or studying this snake provides valuable insights into venom evolution, predator-prey dynamics, and adaptation strategies in arid ecosystems. In conclusion, the inland taipan is a creature of paradoxes, immensely powerful yet shy, deadly yet essential for ecological balance. Its venom, while capable of causing unparalleled harm, also inspires scientific research with potential life-saving applications. In the harsh landscapes of central Australia, the inland taipan remains a silent, lethal presence, a true marvel of evolutionary precision and a reminder of the intricate balance between fear and fascination in the natural world. Number 6. Golden poison dart frog. Deep within the lush rainforests of western Colombia lives a creature so small yet so extraordinarily lethal that it commands respect from all who encounter it. The golden poison dart frog, or Philobates terribilis, is widely recognized as one of the most poisonous animals on the planet. Despite its diminutive size, usually just 1.5 to 2 inches in length, this frog harbors enough toxin to kill several adult humans. Its bright, golden yellow skin serves as a vivid warning to potential predators, a phenomenon known as aposematism, where vivid coloration signals danger in nature. The golden poison dart frog's anatomy is perfectly adapted to its rainforest environment. Its compact, muscular body allows for rapid movement through leaf litter and vegetation, while its sticky toe pads provide exceptional grip on slippery surfaces. This is essential for navigating the rainforest's complex vertical and horizontal structures, from damp forest floors to low-hanging branches. Despite its small size, the frog exhibits remarkable agility and precision, enabling it to escape predators, capture prey, and traverse its humid, dynamic environment efficiently. What makes this frog particularly remarkable is its skin's production of batracia toxin, one of the most potent naturally occurring toxins known to science. Batracia toxin interferes with the normal function of sodium channels in nerve and muscle cells, causing paralysis, cardiac arrest, and ultimately death. Indigenous tribes in Colombia have historically harnessed this poison for hunting, coating the tips of blow darts with small amounts of the frog's secretion. Remarkably, these darts could kill animals instantly, showcasing the potency of the toxin. The golden poison dart frog's diet plays a crucial role in its toxicity. In the wild, the frog consumes ants, beetles, and other small arthropods that contain alkaloid compounds. These compounds are metabolized and concentrated within the frog's skin, producing the lethal batracia toxin. Interestingly, frogs raised in captivity on diets lacking these specific prey items do not develop the same level of toxicity, highlighting the direct link between diet and venom potency. Despite its lethality, the golden poison dart frog is not aggressive. It relies on its warning coloration to deter predators rather than confrontation. Birds, snakes, and small mammals quickly learn to avoid the frog after witnessing or experiencing its toxicity. This non-aggressive strategy reduces energy expenditure while ensuring the frog's survival in a predator-rich ecosystem. The reproductive behavior of this species is equally fascinating. Golden poison dart frogs exhibit parental care, with males or females transporting tadpoles on their backs to small water pools in bromeliads or leaf axils. This careful nurturing ensures the young have a safe environment to develop, highlighting the complex life strategies of even the tiniest rainforest dwellers. From a scientific perspective, batracia toxin has been studied extensively for its potential applications in medicine. While highly dangerous, understanding how the toxin affects nerve and muscle cells has provided insights into sodium channel functioning, pain management, and neurological research. Scientists continue to explore ways to harness its power safely for potential therapeutic benefits, turning a deadly natural compound into a tool for human advancement. The golden poison dart frog also teaches an important ecological lesson. Even the smallest creatures play a vital role in their ecosystem. By preying on ants and other arthropods, these frogs help control insect populations, maintaining a delicate balance in the rainforest. Their presence also influences predator behavior, shaping the dynamics of food webs and ecological interactions. human interaction with the golden poison dart frog should be cautious. While handling these frogs in the wild can be dangerous due to their potent toxin, proper education and respect ensure safety. Many conservation programs now focus on habitat preservation, understanding that the frog's survival depends on intact rainforest ecosystems. Threats such as deforestation and pollution pose serious risks, and protecting their environment is essential not only for the frogs but also for the health of the entire ecosystem. Culturally, the golden poison dart frog has inspired awe and reverence. Indigenous communities historically used it as both a practical tool for hunting and as a symbol of nature's power. Modern fascination continues through wildlife documentaries, conservation initiatives, and scientific studies, highlighting the frog's unique blend of beauty, danger, and ecological significance. In conclusion, the golden poison dart frog is a masterpiece of evolutionary adaptation. Tiny yet immensely powerful, brightly colored yet perfectly camouflaged within its environment when needed, lethal yet essential for ecological balance, it exemplifies the delicate interplay between survival, defense, and beauty in nature. Observing or studying this remarkable frog reminds us that danger and fascination often coexist, and that even the smallest creatures can hold extraordinary power. The golden poison dart frog is not just a deadly animal. It is a symbol of the rainforest's intricate complexity and an inspiration for scientific discovery and conservation efforts. Number 5. Cone snail. In the warm, tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific, stretching from the Philippines to northern Australia, lives a creature whose beauty belies its deadly potential. The cone snail, a marine mollusk with a perfectly spiraled shell adorned with intricate patterns, is among the ocean's most lethal predators. Its mesmerizing shell can be found washed up on beaches, tempting collectors and unaware swimmers alike, yet within lies a harpoon-like tooth loaded with venom capable of killing humans. Despite its slow and seemingly harmless appearance, the cone snail is a master of predation. It uses a specialized radula tooth, modified into a tiny harpoon, to deliver venom with astonishing speed and precision. This harpoon is connected to a venom gland that secretes a complex cocktail of toxins known as conotoxins, each specifically designed to disrupt the nervous system of its prey. When a small fish, worm, or even another mollusk comes close, the snail launches its harpoon, injecting venom that immobilizes the target instantly. Within seconds, the prey is paralyzed, allowing the snail to consume it at its leisure. Cone snail venom is a sophisticated biochemical weapon. Conotoxins target ion channels in nerves, muscles, and the cardiovascular system, causing paralysis, respiratory failure, and potentially death. Some species, like the geography cone, Conus geographus, are capable of delivering enough venom to kill multiple humans, making them one of the few mollusks considered truly lethal. Unlike many other poisonous animals, the cone snail's approach is patient and strategic. It does not need to chase its prey, relying on the potency of its venom to secure a successful hunt. The snail's anatomy is as remarkable as its venom. It possesses a retractable proboscis that houses the harpoon, allowing it to strike from a safe distance. Its muscular foot enables it to glide slowly across the ocean floor, while its sensory organs detect chemical cues in the water, pinpointing the location of prey even in complete darkness. The combination of sensory sophistication and mechanical precision makes the cone snail a deadly and efficient predator, despite its unassuming size. Interestingly, the venom of cone snails has inspired groundbreaking scientific research. Conotoxins, with their highly specific effects on nerve cells, are being studied for potential medical applications, including treatments for chronic pain, epilepsy, and even cardiovascular disorders. In this way, a creature capable of killing with a single strike has also become a source of hope and innovation for human medicine. This paradox, death and healing intertwined, exemplifies the dual nature of many poisonous animals. While the cone snail is dangerous, it is not aggressive toward humans. Most incidents occur when divers or beachgoers handle live specimens, unaware of the snail's ability to deploy its venomous harpoon. Unlike predatory animals that seek confrontation, the cone snail relies on stealth and surprise, striking only when threatened or hunting. Education and awareness are key to avoiding accidents, as its beauty can easily mislead the unwary. The reproductive behavior of cone snails adds another layer to their ecological sophistication. They lay clusters of eggs that hatch into free-swimming larvae, dispersing over wide areas and colonizing new habitats. This reproductive strategy ensures genetic diversity and survival across the vast and often competitive marine ecosystems of the Indo-Pacific. Young snails, although initially less venomous, gradually acquire their potent conotoxins as they mature and incorporate specific prey into their diet, enhancing their lethal potential. Cone snails also play a significant ecological role. By preying on fish, worms, and other mollusks, they help maintain population balance within their habitats, contributing to the health of coral reefs and sandy ocean floors. Their presence influences predator-prey interactions, shaping the dynamics of the underwater ecosystem and highlighting the interconnectedness of all marine life. Culturally, cone snails have fascinated humans for centuries. Their shells have been collected, traded, and admired for their intricate beauty, while local folklore warns of the danger concealed within. This combination of allure and threat embodies the delicate balance between attraction and caution in the natural world, a theme recurring across many of the ocean's most poisonous creatures. In conclusion, the cone snail is a masterclass in evolutionary design. Its lethal venom, precise predation, and intricate anatomy make it one of the most remarkable marine predators. Simultaneously, it contributes to scientific discovery and ecological stability. For humans, the lesson is clear: respect beauty, understand danger, and appreciate the remarkable adaptations that allow even the slowest and smallest creatures to survive and thrive in the wild. The cone snail may seem unassuming, but it is a symbol of nature's deadly elegance, a small but extraordinarily powerful guardian of the ocean's depths. Number 4. Stonefish. In the tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific, where coral reefs teem with life and predators lurk behind every corner, lives a creature that epitomizes the phrase, master of disguise. The stonefish, often regarded as the most venomous fish in the world, is an expert in camouflage, blending seamlessly into rocky seabeds, coral, and sand. Its rough, mottled skin and irregular body shape make it nearly indistinguishable from its surroundings, allowing it to lie in wait for unsuspecting prey while remaining virtually invisible to both predators and humans. Despite its sedentary appearance, the stonefish is a deadly predator. It primarily feeds on small fish and crustaceans, relying on an ambush strategy to secure its meals. Using powerful, rapid strikes, it opens its mouth in a fraction of a second to suck in prey that ventures too close. This method requires incredible precision and lightning-fast reflexes, made possible by its highly adapted musculature and skeletal structure. Its ability to remain motionless for extended periods, combined with sudden bursts of explosive action, makes it a highly effective hunter despite its sedentary lifestyle. The stonefish's reputation for danger comes from its venomous spines, which line its dorsal fin. Each spine contains a gland that produces potent neurotoxins and cytotoxins, capable of causing extreme pain, tissue damage, paralysis, and even death. Contact with a stonefish is often accidental, occurring when swimmers, divers, or fishermen step on it, unaware of its presence. A single sting can inject enough venom to incapacitate a human within minutes, emphasizing the importance of caution and awareness when navigating shallow waters in regions where these fish inhabit. The anatomy of the stonefish is a testament to evolutionary perfection. Its dorsal spines are both defensive and offensive tools, capable of penetrating thick skin and delivering venom efficiently. The fish's body is robust yet flexible, allowing it to remain camouflaged while adjusting its posture to optimize ambush potential. Beneath its protective armor, the stonefish is equipped with sensory organs that detect vibrations and movements in the water, alerting it to the presence of prey or threats. This combination of stealth, sensory precision, and lethal weaponry makes the stonefish a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity. Stonefish venom is highly complex, containing proteins and peptides that affect the nervous system, cardiovascular system, and tissue integrity. The immediate effect is excruciating pain, often described as sharp, burning, and radiating through the affected limb. Other symptoms can include swelling, tissue necrosis, muscle weakness, and, in severe cases, heart failure. Fortunately, modern medicine provides effective treatment, including antivenom, pain management, and rapid first aid measures. Immediate immersion of the affected limb in hot water is recommended to reduce pain and denature the venom. Behaviorally, the stonefish is passive and non-aggressive. It does not actively seek out humans or large predators, relying instead on its camouflage and venom for protection. Most incidents occur when people accidentally step on it, highlighting the critical importance of vigilance in areas known to be inhabited by these fish. Its life strategy is focused on energy conservation and efficient predation, demonstrating that lethality does not require constant aggression. Sometimes, stillness and deception are more effective. Reproductive behavior in stonefish involves external fertilization, with females releasing eggs into the water column for males to fertilize. The eggs develop into free-swimming larvae that disperse widely, increasing genetic diversity and enabling colonization of new reef areas. This reproductive strategy ensures the survival of the species even in competitive and predator-rich environments. Stonefish play a crucial ecological role in coral reef ecosystems. By preying on small fish and crustaceans, they help regulate populations, maintaining balance within the reef. Their presence also influences predator behavior, as potential threats learn to recognize and avoid these dangerous, camouflaged hunters. The stonefish thus contributes to the health and stability of one of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. Culturally, the stonefish has inspired both fear and fascination. Coastal communities in the Indo-Pacific have long warned of its danger, using its cautionary presence as a lesson in respect for marine life. Divers and marine biologists marvel at its camouflage, stealth, and survival strategies, while medical researchers study its venom for potential applications in pharmacology and neuroscience. In conclusion, the stonefish is a master of survival, blending lethal weaponry with deceptive beauty. Its venom, ambush strategy, and near-perfect camouflage make it one of the ocean's most formidable and feared creatures. Observing this fish, even from a safe distance, evokes awe at the ingenuity of nature. It serves as a reminder that in the natural world, stillness can be deadly, and beauty often conceals danger. The stonefish exemplifies the delicate balance between life, death, and adaptation in the vibrant and complex ecosystems of the Indo-Pacific. Number 3. Pufferfish. In the colorful and bustling coral reefs of the Indo-Pacific, a small but remarkable fish drifts calmly, hiding a secret that has earned it a place among the deadliest creatures in the ocean. The pufferfish, also known as the fugu in Japan, is famous not for aggression or speed, but for its extraordinary defense mechanism, a venom potent enough to kill humans. Despite its small size, usually ranging from 6 inches to a foot long, this fish commands respect through its unique combination of toxins, adaptability, and survival strategies. The pufferfish's anatomy is specialized for survival in complex reef environments. It has a soft, pliable body that can expand dramatically when threatened, inflating like a balloon to several times its normal size. This sudden enlargement makes it difficult for predators to swallow and reveals spines along its skin that add another layer of defense. Its large, expressive eyes provide keen vision, allowing the fish to detect both predators and prey with remarkable accuracy. The pufferfish's small, rounded fins are highly maneuverable, enabling precise movements in tight spaces among corals, rocks, and seagrass. The primary source of the pufferfish's deadly reputation is tetrodotoxin, a powerful neurotoxin concentrated in its liver, ovaries, intestines, and skin. Tetrodotoxin is extremely potent, 1,200 times more toxic than cyanide, and affects the nervous system by blocking sodium channels, causing paralysis, respiratory failure, and potentially death. Interestingly, this toxin is not naturally produced by the fish itself. Rather, it accumulates through bacteria in its diet, including certain algae and small invertebrates. This makes the pufferfish a remarkable example of how ecology and diet influence evolutionary defense mechanisms. The pufferfish's inflation defense is a marvel of biomechanics. When threatened, it rapidly ingests water or air into its highly elastic stomach, increasing its volume several times over. This transformation deters predators such as sharks and large fish, which struggle to handle the suddenly enlarged prey. In addition to size, the pufferfish often exhibits a possumatic coloration, bright patterns that warn potential predators of its toxicity. In the coral reef, where visual cues are vital, these colors serve as an unmistakable signal: stay away or face death. Despite its lethality, the pufferfish is generally non-aggressive. It does not chase or attack predators, relying on its toxins and inflation defense to avoid confrontation. Its diet consists primarily of algae, mollusks, and crustaceans, which it crushes using its strong, beak-like teeth. These feeding habits play an important role in reef ecosystems, helping to control algae growth and contributing to the balance of coral reef biodiversity. The pufferfish also exhibits fascinating reproductive behaviors. Many species engage in elaborate courtship displays, including intricate movements, color changes, and even the creation of geometric patterns on the sandy seabed, known as pufferfish circles, to attract mates. These circles, often several feet in diameter, are constructed with precise ridges and valleys, demonstrating an extraordinary combination of instinct, artistry, and evolutionary advantage. After mating, females deposit eggs in these carefully constructed nests, increasing the survival rate of the next generation in a predator-rich environment. From a human perspective, the pufferfish holds both danger and culinary allure. In Japan, it is considered a delicacy, known as fugu, and requires specially trained chefs to prepare it safely. One mistake in handling can be fatal, underscoring the fish's extreme toxicity. Simultaneously, scientists study tetrodotoxin for its potential in medical research, particularly in pain management and neurological therapies, transforming a deadly natural compound into a potential life-saving tool. Ecologically, the pufferfish contributes to reef health. By feeding on algae, it prevents overgrowth that can suffocate corals, maintaining the delicate balance necessary for diverse marine life. Its toxins deter many predators, creating a stable micro-ecosystem where smaller reef organisms can thrive in relative safety. The pufferfish demonstrates that even small, seemingly defenseless creatures can exert significant influence within their environments through innovative adaptations. Culturally, the pufferfish has inspired awe, fear, and reverence. Its artistic mating rituals, potent toxins, and unique defense mechanisms have made it a symbol of the hidden power in nature's smallest forms. Divers, researchers, and local communities alike recognize the pufferfish as both a marvel and a warning, representing the delicate balance of life and death beneath the waves. In conclusion, the pufferfish exemplifies nature's ingenuity. Through its combination of tetrodotoxin, inflation defenses, intricate reproductive behaviors, and ecological contributions, it remains one of the most fascinating and dangerous creatures in the ocean. Its ability to deter predators, survive in a competitive reef ecosystem, and inspire human curiosity highlights the complexity and beauty of marine life. The pufferfish reminds us that in nature, size does not dictate power, and that even the smallest creatures can wield extraordinary influence, blending beauty, danger, and evolutionary perfection in a single, unassuming form. Number 2. Blue poison dart frog. Deep in the rain-soaked forests of South America, particularly in Suriname, Brazil, and parts of Guyana, lives a creature so vibrant that it seems to glow against the emerald foliage. The blue poison dart frog, or Dendrobates tinctorius, azurius, is a small amphibian, measuring only about 1.5 to 2 inches in length, yet it carries a venom potent enough to inspire both fear and fascination. Its brilliant blue coloration, speckled with black spots, is not merely for show. It is a warning signal, an evolutionary message to predators. Approach at your own risk. The blue poison dart frog's anatomy is exquisitely adapted for survival in the dense rainforest. Its slender, muscular legs enable it to leap gracefully between leaves, twigs, and forest floor debris, covering distances many times its body length. Its sticky toe pads provide incredible grip, allowing it to navigate vertical surfaces and even smooth leaves with ease. The frog's skin, though delicate and permeable to moisture, is loaded with batrachotoxins, alkaloid compounds capable of causing paralysis, cardiac arrest, and death in large enough doses. These toxins are the same family of deadly chemicals found in the golden poison dart frog, though slightly less potent. One of the most fascinating aspects of this frog is the origin of its poison. Blue poison dart frogs do not produce batrachotoxins naturally in captivity. Rather, they acquire them from their diet in the wild, consuming specific ants, mites, and beetles containing alkaloid compounds. These compounds are then sequestered in the frog's skin, creating a chemical barrier against predators. This relationship between diet, environment, and toxicity is a striking example of how ecology and evolution intertwine to produce some of nature's deadliest defenses. The frog's coloration serves multiple purposes. Bright azure skin warns predators of its toxicity, a strategy known as aposematism, while its dark spots and irregular patterns provide some camouflage in dappled sunlight and shadowed leaf litter. The combination of visibility and concealment is a delicate evolutionary balance, deterring predators while allowing the frog to move stealthily through its environment. Behaviorally, the blue poison dart frog is diurnal, active during daylight hours when it hunts for tiny invertebrates. Its feeding strategy is precise. It stalks prey slowly, then captures it with a quick flick of its sticky tongue. This deliberate and controlled hunting method minimizes energy expenditure and maximizes efficiency, vital in the competitive rainforest ecosystem. The frog's intelligence and agility, though modest, are remarkable for such a small amphibian, ensuring survival amidst abundant predators, including birds, snakes, and larger amphibians. Reproduction is another area where the blue poison dart frog displays fascinating adaptations. Males establish territories and call to attract females using distinctive trilling sounds. Once a pair mates, the female lays her eggs on moist leaves or hidden surfaces, and the male often plays an active role in protecting and transporting the developing tadpoles. After hatching, tadpoles are carefully carried on the father's back to small pools of water in bromeliads or other plant reservoirs. This parental care increases survival rates, ensuring that the next generation navigates the complex rainforest environment successfully. For humans, the blue poison dart frog represents both danger and wonder. Its venom, while deadly in concentrated form, has inspired pharmacological research, particularly in neurological studies and pain management. The frog's bright coloration and small size have also made it a symbol of biodiversity and rainforest conservation efforts. Scientists and conservationists emphasize the importance of preserving its natural habitat, as deforestation and pollution threaten these delicate ecosystems, and with them, the survival of this remarkable species. Encounters with the blue poison dart frog in the wild are rare but awe-inspiring. Its electric blue hue stands out vividly against the green foliage, and its small, precise movements exemplify the efficiency of evolutionary adaptation. Despite its size, the frog wields a power far beyond what its body suggests, a reminder that lethality and beauty often coexist in the natural world. In ecological terms, the blue poison dart frog plays a critical role. By preying on ants, mites, and small insects, it helps regulate populations within the rainforest, maintaining balance and supporting the intricate web of life. Its presence also shapes predator behavior, as potential threats learn to recognize and avoid its warning coloration. Through these interactions, the frog contributes to the stability and health of its ecosystem, proving that even tiny creatures can have a significant impact. Culturally, this frog has captivated human imagination for centuries. Indigenous peoples of South America have long known of its poisonous potential, sometimes utilizing small amounts of toxin for hunting purposes. Modern fascination continues through wildlife documentaries, scientific research, and conservation campaigns, highlighting its unique blend of beauty, danger, and ecological importance. In conclusion, the blue poison dart frog exemplifies the extraordinary balance between vulnerability and potency in nature. Tiny, brilliantly colored, and lethally equipped, it thrives in a complex environment while inspiring both caution and admiration in humans. Its intelligence, reproductive strategy, ecological role, and potent venom make it one of the most remarkable amphibians on Earth. Observing or studying this species offers a glimpse into the intricate interplay of evolution, adaptation, and survival, reminding us that even the smallest creatures can possess extraordinary power and influence within their world. Number 1. Inland taipan, the deadliest snake. In the remote, sun-scorched landscapes of central Australia, where red dust stretches for miles and sparse vegetation provides little cover, slithers a serpent whose venom is unmatched in potency. The inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake, or Oxyuranus microlepidotus, is widely regarded as the deadliest snake on Earth. Its name alone evokes both respect and caution among scientists, explorers, and locals alike. Despite its lethal capability, this elusive predator is rarely seen by humans, preferring to remain hidden in the cracked clay soils, spinifex grass, and dry riverbeds of the Australian outback. The inland taipan's anatomy is optimized for precision and efficiency. Its slender, muscular body, typically measuring 5 to 8 feet in length, allows for rapid, agile movements, enabling it to strike with unparalleled accuracy. Its scales, often brown, olive, or yellowish, provide camouflage in the arid environment, making it nearly invisible against the ochre terrain. This natural stealth allows the snake to approach prey unnoticed, an essential feature for a predator whose survival depends on ambushing rather than chasing. The true power of the inland taipan lies in its venom, a complex, deadly cocktail of neurotoxins, myotoxins, and procoagulants. Each bite delivers enough venom to kill multiple adult humans, yet fatalities are extremely rare due to the snake's reclusive nature. Neurotoxins rapidly disrupt the nervous system, causing paralysis and respiratory failure. Myotoxins attack muscle tissue, while procoagulants interfere with blood clotting, leading to internal bleeding and multi-organ complications. Within minutes of envenomation, a victim can experience excruciating pain, nausea, dizziness, and in severe cases, death if untreated. Despite its notoriety, the inland taipan is not aggressive. It will attempt to retreat at the first sign of danger, preferring to avoid confrontation entirely. When cornered, however, it raises its head, flattens its neck slightly, and prepares to strike defensively. This measured behavior underscores a remarkable balance between self-preservation and the lethal potential of its venom. In hunting, the taipan primarily preys on small mammals, particularly rodents, which are abundant in the Australian interior. Its strikes are swift and precise, delivering venom efficiently to immobilize prey before consumption. The inland taipan's hunting strategy is a testament to evolutionary refinement. Rather than wasting energy pursuing prey, it strikes multiple times with surgical accuracy, ensuring the venom takes immediate effect. The snake rarely tracks its target after envenomation, relying instead on the extraordinary potency of its venom to guarantee a successful hunt. This combination of speed, accuracy, and lethality makes it one of the most efficient terrestrial predators in the animal kingdom. Reproduction in the inland taipan is equally fascinating. Mating occurs during the cooler months, and females lay clutches of up to 20 eggs in sheltered burrows or under rocks. The eggs incubate for several weeks before hatching, and the young are immediately capable of delivering venomous bites, albeit less potent than adults. This early development ensures that even juvenile snakes can defend themselves in a harsh, predator-filled environment. From a scientific perspective, the inland taipan's venom is invaluable for research. Components of the neurotoxins are studied for applications in neurological disorders, pain management, and blood clotting research. Understanding the mechanisms of such a powerful venom has provided insights into nerve function, muscle physiology, and potential therapeutic avenues. Here, a creature of immense danger also contributes to human knowledge and medicine, illustrating the duality of life in the natural world. Human encounters with the inland taipan are rare but must be treated with utmost caution. Education and awareness are critical, as most bites occur when people accidentally step on or handle the snake. Prompt medical treatment, including the administration of specific antivenom, can prevent fatalities, highlighting the importance of respect and preparedness in regions inhabited by these deadly reptiles. Culturally, the inland taipan has inspired both fear and fascination. Aboriginal Australians have long recognized its presence, often attributing symbolic significance to its lethal precision and elusive behavior. In modern times, the snake captivates scientists, herpetologists, and wildlife enthusiasts, representing the pinnacle of evolutionary specialization in venomous reptiles. The inland taipan embodies nature's extreme ingenuity. Its lethal venom, reclusive behavior, precise hunting techniques, and camouflage create a predator that dominates its ecosystem while minimizing unnecessary confrontation. Observing or studying this snake offers invaluable insights into evolution, predator-prey dynamics, and survival strategies in extreme environments. In conclusion, the inland taipan stands as the ultimate predator in its realm. Small enough to remain unseen, powerful enough to subdue multiple prey at once, and scientifically invaluable for understanding the complexities of venom. It is a creature of paradox, deadly yet shy, feared yet essential, lethal yet a source of knowledge. In the harsh expanses of the Australian outback, the inland taipan reigns silently, a testament to evolution's precision and a stark reminder of the delicate balance between fear, respect, and fascination in the natural world. Thanks for diving into the wildest corners of our planet with us. Globe, which deadly creature shocked you the most? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our epic wildlife adventures. Stay curious, stay amazed, and we'll see you in the next journey through the untamed animal world.